welcome to Pop Along RC. You've called me here today. I was at home having my dinner and everything, and you said, come to my house, is what you said, didn't you?
Yeah.
Why?
I've got a few little things.
Now, you like a lot of fun cars, don't you?
I do, and the most fun for me is short course trucks.
Yeah, you always banging on about short course trucks. You see, you said you was going to do a national, didn't you? But they're sold out now. You can't do it.
No, they haven't.
Have they not?
I don't think so. I hope they haven't. I just haven't booked
Don't
in
know.
because I'm a bit
Well,
lazy
you
on
need to book
that.
in then, don't you? I haven't got a short course truck because, you know, you've got them all.
I offered you one before and you were like, nah, I'm not interested.
Yeah.
I gave you the LD3 though.
You did give me
And
the
therefore freed up a bit of space. One in, one out. Got myself another short course truck I did.
Fair enough.
The Apache 2.0 to go along with the Apache.
So that was the FTX, the new FTX one, right?
Yeah, that is a very good car as well. However, I was scouring the old Tinterweb, as you do.
What happened?
Because we are RCers.
Looking at them cars and that again.
Yeah, that's the one. Because we're RCers, I look at RC videos, I do. And I stumbled across a little brand.
Okay.
Have you ever heard of the brand HOSIM?
Do I look like I've heard of the brand HOSIM?
HOSIM.
Oh, wow.
It might be HOSIM.
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 Okay.
Have you heard of them?
No. Where are you getting at?
Well, they had some bloody good videos on their channel,
Okay.
on their little like Instagram and that, and caught my attention. It did.
Okay.
A couple of the videos
Right.
had some short course trucks in, and I thought they had two of them racing around on the dirt.
You see, now that does appeal to me.
And
Yeah?
I thought that'd be cool.
If we could have, right, because we've done this many times, haven't we?
We have.
Where we say we're going to use the same cars, yeah?
Yeah.
And I do change it a bit, don't
do.
I?
So I need a car
Change it.
that you can't change, and by the looks of things, the HOSIM brand,
Yeah.
there aren't loads of hop-ups available for it. It just comes as a ready-to-run, everything you need in the kit, done.
All right.
Thought if we could get two of them,
Two of them.
we could race each other.
Two of them. You've been spending the pop long money again.
Well, would you like to see it? It's going to blow you away, boss. As you've never seen one
Get
of
it
these
out.
before.
Get it out. And
So we do the magic.
Slap it on the desk.
Let's do
the
it,
magic. Do the magic.
Ready?
Do the magic.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa! Hold on a minute. Do you know it's a nice box?
It's a very nice box.
That's a really nice box. That is. Let me have a little. Look at that. Power in your hands. HOSIM. I think it's HOSIM. You know. HOSIM. It says it's got rubber tyres.
Yeah.
That's just as well, isn't it?
It's a bit of a lottery getting a car like this because I don't know much about the brand. The videos look very good, but I don't know what the cars are like. Should we get it out of the box?
Yeah, get out of the box.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hey! Ooh! Ooh!
Short course truck
Ooh!
box.
Hang on. That's super. That almost looks like. It looks like a really good car. I'm not just saying that.
A Mazek.
Mazek.
Aesthetically,
Yeah.
I'm liking the look of it. It looks like
good.
a
Shiny. Got
short course truck.
lights on the top there. You got the old, it flips over. They're protective bits on there.
They have. Now,
Yeah.
I think to get the old protective sheen off of this, you're going to have to take those off to get this plastic stuff off.
Yeah.
But we can do that at a later date. Now, body clip wise, you've got attached with the old bungees.
Yeah. I like that when they do that. 'Cause you don't lose them, do you? Hey, you know what that's given me? It's given me the Armour vibes a little bit. Don't you
It's
think?
got those Armour vibes, hasn't it? It's kind
Armour vibes. That's super smooth. Does it come with the battery? So it's
got battery in it.
11.1, 3S in it. 11.1.
Yeah, 3S.
Yeah.
3S, 4 straps to hold that battery in. So this car, I think, possibly might be designed for bashing. It's got basher vibes, isn't it? With this metal brace down the middle, solid top chassis. Race performance, I'm not sure.
Well, you know, if he's spending the pop long funds, I'm impressed. 100 amp ESC. All the motors look the same, don't they? Look like sort of hobby ring sort of knockoffs and that, don't they? Is that an
That's a 3S, that is.
right, hang on. 30C.
That is so nice.
Yeah.
I'm actually impressed. I'm liking the red anodised everywhere.
Yeah.
Oil-filled shocks, fully adjustable. Rubber tyres, like it says on the box, boss.
Give him a sniff, Not bad. What's it giving you? What's it giving you?
When you were a kid,
What happened?
did you ever go swimming?
Yeah, sometimes.
And do you know when you went on holiday swimming, did you ever get one of those like cheap plastic snorkels?
Ah, the old cheap plastic.
And they'd sit in the sun for a little bit, and then you'd put it in your mouth, and you get that like plastic.
It's giving you cheap plastic snorkel vibes. Yeah.
In the sun, sort of.
Yeah. I mean, they are hard. They're hard tyres.
They are pretty hard. That means they're gonna.
Hard tyres, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did used to go swimming as a kid. We used to go to a place called Pontins.
Never been.
It was in Blackpool. And,
We went there once, didn't we? The old Blackpool.
We did go to Blackpool, yeah.
Charged RC event.
Charged
wasn't it?
RC.
Brilliant.
I just remember all the grown-ups being absolutely mortal drunk while the kids went absolutely mental.
On sweets and... It was penny sweets back then, wasn't it? Not Haribo's.
Penny sweets. So see, those were the days, you see.
Yeah, anyway, you've gone off on
and
one.
we've got the old bar across the front of the old strengthener, which seems to be quite a standard thing these days.
Yeah.
Fan on the motor. I mean, there's not much.
Built-in fan on the ESC.
Diffs, front and rear, centre diff as well.
Yeah. Servo.
It's really interesting. These other brands coming through the rankings, and they're going to give Armour and Traxxas a run for their money for sure. I mean, that is. It looks good.
It's all right, isn't it?
Yeah,
I mean, for me here in the UK, I am growing a bit of a collection of short course trucks at the moment. I've got. Shall I go through my collection? Because ultimately, we want to know if this is any good. We're going to put it up against some of these cars.
Yeah.
So we have got FTX Zorro.
Yeah.
The HBI Blitz.
Yeah.
The FTX Apache. The Apache 2.0.
What's that thing that looks like one but it's not one?
The Rockatan.
That's the one.
We've got the associated
one.
SC10 Pro
SC10,
4.
yeah.
I've got my PR Racing Pro Spec race buggy. Now I don't expect it to compete with that at all. If we took it to a basher though, bash track or the car killer, because of these bumpers.
It's got a wheelie bar on it.
Wheelie bars built in.
That's telling me this thing's going to be pretty quick.
Yeah, it on 3S it's going to be, isn't it? But I'm thinking it's got basher vibes to me. That is a sturdy, durable, hard car. Underneath, we've got some serious protection. Alley, front and rear, and then bumpers over the top.
Well, this is all very well and
last.
good. So I'm guessing this is you bought this for me, didn't you?
That's for you, that is.
No, I was joking.
No, it's for you.
It's actually for me.
It's actually for you.
You bought me a.
Do you know why?
Hang on a minute. Why are you making space there? What's happened here?
Because I'm going to magic myself one up. Are you ready for this?
Go on then.
3, 2, 1. Whee!
Whoa! Hold on a minute. So now this colour.
This colour, I picked it out special for me.
Suits you.
I quite like it.
Suits you.
Aesthetically, I think it's fantastic.
Yeah.
Now you will notice, as I said, you need to take the these bits off to get the plastic off. I've taken the lights off of my one.
Are you going to put them back on or what?
I might do, although like this, I think it's giving off better racing vibes.
Yeah, true. But if it goes over, you're gonna.
It's gonna scuff up the shell.
Yeah. And if it rains, you'll get raining through the whole front. You see. Yeah.
I don't know. You can have it with because this is lights, by the way. These are lights or no lights. What do you reckon? Lights or no lights, people?
No, I don't know. It's each to their own.
Each to their own.
I like what you've done there. So the rules are then we're going to take these out. We're going to race them.
You're not allowed to change anything.
We're changing nothing, and we're going to see who is actually the best driver. Is it Pro Racer Mark or
I am the old
Racer Carl?
I am the short course truck
You are
driver.
a short
So
course
I reckon
truck driver.
I might have you on this one.
Well, you know what? If you want to see us battle it out on the track, then you know what you've got to do, don't you? What have you got to do?
Like, subscribe, hit the old ding dong bell, and hopefully we'll see you in another one.